Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this activity, we will learn why some objects sink and why some objects float. For this activity, you can try different objects around you. Density is a measure of how heavy something is compared to its size. Even a tiny clay ball, which is very light, sink in water. So the reason behind this is an object that is made up of tightly packed molecules is more dense and therefore sink in water, whereas an object that is made up of loosely packed molecules is less dense, therefore float in water.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Hadia
And you are?
and I am Anaya's cousin.
So Hadia is a little bit nervous, but it's okay, Hadia.
As you all know, my name is Anaya Thakur.
Yes, and what activity we are going to do today?
Floor dancing.
And how we going to do it? कैसे आप लोगों ने किया था? Float and sink. Very good. Well done. So let's get started. A small tub full of water, and now Hadia and Anaya is going to tell you which thing sinks and which thing float. Yes. So let's start. Hadia will start first. Hadia, drop one thing. Yes, drop it. And what is this? Leaf. And it is floating. Yes, because it is lightweighted and it is made up of molecules that are loosely packed, that spread out. And Anaya, what are you going to pick? A scissor. And scissor, as you all can see, the scissor is sinking. It sinked in the water.
Yes.
Yes.
Plus
Oh, they both are checking as well. So, Hadia, your turn.
your turn again.
Paper, and the paper floats.
Floats.
Yes, and the paper floats. And Anaya, what is next? No, don't do it. Coin, and the coin sinks.
Sing.
Yes,
Kind of sinking.
it goes down in the water, right? Yes, it is heavy. And it is made up of tightly packed molecules. Hadia, your turn again. Ball, and ball is floating. Anaya, your turn. Okay, that is a cell, and the cell sinks in the water. It goes down.
Yes.
Now you're not supposed to play with it. Hadia, your turn.
Your turn.
Pencil, and the pencil is floating. How it is? Floating. And Anaya, what is next? Key. And the key is sinking. It sinked down in water. See, as you all can see. So next, Hadia, your turn. And this is a spray bottle, and it is floating. Naya, your turn. Marbles. Marbles and marbles are sinking.
This is a big marble.
Yeah, this is a big marble
And
and
this is a slime marble.
slime marble. But there are three marbles, and the one is a small marble, but it is tightly packed, made up of tightly packed molecules. So that is why it is also sinking. It is small in size, but it is also sinking. Anaya, Hadia, your turn. Cap, and the cap is also
Sink.
floating. Cap is also floating. Anaya, your turn again. Oh, spoon, and the spoon is also heavy, and it is made up of tightly packed molecules. That is why it is sinking. It sinked in the water. Now your turn, Hadia.
Straw.
Straw is also floating. So last thing. What was this? Pin, and the pin is also sinking. Your turn, Hadia.
It's floating.
It is floating. And the rubber band, it is also floating. Yes. So as you all can see, the things that are sinking and that are floating. Naya, what were you doing? Do it again. Anaya is making bubbles and Anaya is playing. Okay, so they both are playing now. Hadia and Anaya say goodbye.
Goodbye.
So, if you like the video,
If you like the video,
subscribe करें और like करें.
subscribe करें और like करें.
Did you like the activity?
Yes, we are.
Anaya is busy in playing with the Play-Doh. Yes? Anaya?
Yes.
So, goodbye, guys.